try eating again. So the food is on the other side of the table. I'm also trying to look down, but overtly naturally looking down is like this. Um, but hopefully most of what I get is in there. They looked out today. We got some nachos. We got some nachos, some salsa, and oh, what's this right here? We got some nacho salsa, and boom. Let's see. Yeah. Damn, I should have said soft tacos. Shit. We got some. They're hard shell, but it ain't. Nah, this fuck. I have some soft shell tacos. Shit. And we got some nachos. Let me just try to eat some. Now, right now, my arm is extended. My arm is extended. My head is like if I was looking down. Like that's one thing. So I'm pretty sure most of all of up here is probably in camera. I'm trying to open this joint up. I'm trying to be able to capture something. You know, like, and right now is as if I would be looking down. You know what I'm saying, at my feet. But I know that's not gonna be what's recorded. I'm just trying to get you what's on the table. So hopefully I caught this nacho dip. The sauce is pretty good. There's two tacos in here. Okay, well, I'm gonna be on the soggy side. I don't know if I should be dipping this taco, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. The the beef definitely softened inside the taco. Mm. I'm just trying to capture eating. I'm just trying to capture eating. Ah, hope, hope they give me a fork. Mm. See now, one taco done. Ah, hmm. Well, I can definitely use the nachos to clean the rest of this, eat the rest of that. So the rest of this, I'm using the nachos, especially this right here. So right now, like my head is looking down as if I'm looking at the table, but then the food is actually eye level. So food is like eye forehead level, but my head is looking down. The food is eye forehead level, but I'm looking down at the table. Making sure I look down at the table. Food is eye for him.